Welcome to Lucky Wheels. From the situation where the truck driver was distracted, causing a serious accident, to the situation where the truck was driving carelessly on a slippery, snowy road, causing the vehicle to lose control and veer off the road. This video was created for educational purposes and contains serious incidents involving trucks and cars, highlighting the dangers of high-speed driving. It also emphasizes the importance of road safety. Let's get it on. Oh, please pay attention ahead. Hopefully you are a safe driver. Oh my, the driver must be dozing off while driving. Always stay alert when driving, everyone. Oh no, don't carelessly run into the middle of the road anymore. I hope that man learns his lesson. Please slow down and be careful when fog obscures your vision. This is an example of a careless driver trying to cut into the truck's lane. Please pay attention to the lane you are driving in. Getting the rest of traffic in front of him before entering the intersection check for pedestrians and other vehicles. Everyone. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. If your vehicle starts to slide, gently steer in the direction you want to go. Without overcorrecting, avoid slamming in the brakes, as this can worsen the slide. Everyone is alive. Distribute the weight from your belongings evenly inside the caravan. Avoid overloading it, especially with heavy items. Practice patience and remember that arriving safely at your destination is more important than saving a few minutes of travel time. Oh no, don't tailgate, mate. Maintain a buffer zone to allow for adequate reaction time in case of sudden stops. As long as you keep a safe distance, even if the car in front of you stops suddenly, You have enough time to brake. Be alert, folks. The driver's definitely distracted, leading to this situation. Always stay focused while driving. Be cautious of drivers who may change lanes abruptly or tailgate. Do not imitate this. Oh, imagine this driver's fear as soon as he started braking the truck to stop the cab from falling forward, no matter what happened. You would have been charged with dangerous driving for that, so don't do it. Oh, never stop your car suddenly on the road if you don't want to get hit from behind. Be careful. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Be prepared to yield the right-of-way if required, especially when entering an intersection with no traffic signals or stop signs. Be mindful of the center of gravity, especially when negotiating curves. Whoops, cargo trucks have a higher center of gravity, making them prone to tipping. Bro makes steering movement smoothly and avoids sudden or sharp turns. Abrupt steering can lead to loss of traction and results in skidding. If conditions become too hazard, or if you unsafe falling over to a safe location and waiting for the weather to improve, oh my, that's a blind spot. Please be cautious when crossing the road, especially at intersections, as you enter a blind spot. Oh, never drift into the lane of oncoming traffic. Please pay attention to your own lane while driving. Although the truck was moving slowly, it couldn't handle its heavy load while turning, causing it to lose balance and tip over. Fortunately, the driver was safe. Oh my God, please pay attention and slow down when you see the emergency lights of vehicles ahead. Hopefully that driver will learn from this experience when driving. Adieu. Don't make abrupt steering, braking, or acceleration movements, especially on slippery surfaces. Suddenly actions can cause the truck to lose traction and skid out of control. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Please do not pull out in front of truck drivers and give truck drivers the space they need to get your groceries and items to where they need to be. Oh, imagine this driver's fear as soon as he started braking the truck to stop the cab from falling forward, no matter what happened.